Today is Friday the 17th. The year is 2026, April. I wish you'd look at this sign for the plumbers. They are so proud that they're working on it. They put this big old sign out here. Now the sign for the no trespassing is on the back side of the fence, but we ain't got to worry about the fence because it's knocked down. That car knocked it down last week. Look at that mess. But that's Burger King. Hey everybody, I'm at the Burger King. I want you to look at this. The plumbers have been here for a few days, but they ain't got nothing done that I can see. Look at that. At least that wrap is staying on. That's good. But boy, they sure need to get it built. And that's the update for today. Ozark Burger King.